street, stopping. I believe it's him. I made eye contact with him.
1031 northbound Diesel Road.
Alright, he's going back here by Rick's house, 63rd Street.
63rd Street, B51.
Other than that, can't it's one of those fire ones.
10-4.
Alright, we're heading towards 441.
441. This is approaching 441.
Signal 4, signal 4!
Signal 4, station to be 1033.
Alright, he's on foot. He's reaching in his pocket. He's heading back towards his vehicle. Black hat, jeans, white shirt. He's in his pocket, man.
10-4, subject reaching in his pocket.
Get to the ground now! Get to the ground!
441 and 63rd Street, northwest.
2628 up to 97, which way was he running?
Get to the ground now!
Running back towards his vehicle, 5333.
My deputies do a damn good job. Proud of every one of them. And they got somebody like you off the street, and that's all that matters. So, all right. Woo! Ain't nothing better than messing up a bad guy's day.